survey the area because it does look pretty dark to dive. So today's plan is to catch us some food for the day because we got out here right about midday. We're going to be here till sunset, so we're going to find some food, film a bit of content for you guys. Yeah, let's get the drone up. Alright, so we moved to another location. It's less windy here and it's more protected. We're just going to use the drone to fly it over there instead of walking all the way down, just to make sure we can go out there.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.
Got all the gear ready. We're about to jump in. Viz looks pretty good. Well, from the drone footage anyway. We'll see when you get down there. Pretty keen. Truck's all geared up as well. Good scenery. There's the water over there.
No wind, no swell.
No wind, no nothing. Conditions are looking promising, but visibility, no idea. Hoping it's good. This spot actually looks so cool. Super easy entry. It. Let's go look for some fish.
Holy crap. It's alright, it's okay.
Yeah, that's on.
Keep going.
path. Alright, so I just changed a new battery for the GoPro. Just finished our dive, we all got changed. Came back with our fishing gear. And it's about 3 o'clock right now. We're gonna see if we can catch some squid or some big fish. Do a little catch and cook. We know we have abalone now, and we've got the cale herring. See if we can get something else for the barbecue. The spot looks really good. First time being here. Looks quite fishy, but who knows. Let's rig up.
Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light.
Probably try to chase some tailor. A little bit minnow or something down there. Alright. This little spot here looks good. Alright, we won't get too close just in case the waves do smash up a bit high unexpectedly. Actually, I lied. I'll go down a bit. Come on. Give me a decent sized tailor. Oh, there's a fish chasing it. Oh! That was first cast as well. You got a fish? No! Oh. She missed the fish. Alright, so there's no luck here fishing. We're just gonna call it for this location. Head back, do a little catch and cook with the abalone and the cale herring that we caught. We're gonna head back, eat, recharge, and then session number 2 later on night. Probably do a bit of squidding or throw some plastics around. So I've got the cale herring in here. And then we've got all the abalones. Check out this one. Huge. So many abalones down there. And then we bought other things to cook with.
Got some wacky beef.
Wagyu. A little catch and cook. We're just kind of winging it. Never done this before, but keen to try some abalone. Some massive abalone. So we're pretty much kind of just cleaning the lip of it, so that's pretty much what it sucks to on the rock. But if you guys know how to do this properly, let me know. But I'm just gonna wing it, clean it the best I can without losing too much meat. There you go. Out like that. That's the bottom of it. Nasty. Look at the shell in it. Alright, that's the abalone there. We're only going to cook one. You're supposed to tenderize this to make it softer, but I think it's nice and crunchy. Yeah. People eat this raw, you know. Yeah. So I'm just cutting these thin slices. So I'll cut it up like these. Slices. These are the 2 fillets of what are they called again? Cale herring. Terrible fillets, but that will do. Not bad. The Chef Crook. Dang. Get a lemon.
How much lemon?
Yeah, about that much, yeah. Nice. Trust me, you're gonna want a lot of seasoning on this one. Break it up. Really? Then chuck it in the oven. Slap it on the barbie. Time for the abalone. So with this one, we're just gonna put some butter in, wrap that up, and that's it. That's it. That's it. Wrap it up like the restaurant. You know the garlic mushrooms?
Oh, yeah.
$5.50 a serving.
Abalone? No.
Nah, hell no. This is like what? $10, $15. Boom, right there.
While this cooking, that will clean up and go to fry. Give me the card, please. Give me the card. And you can just up to your machine. The fish.
That's the abalone.
And that's the wagyu beef.
Wagyu beef. Cook's wagyu beef. Alright. Food's all cooked. Time to check on them.
Physical.
Ooh, that's the sausages. Nice. What's this one? Is this the fish?
Yep.
Ooh, not bad.
Siglon.
Yeah,
Is it?
not bad. What's this one? Oh,
Oh,
bread.
okay.
Bread, bread.
That's my bread.
This is the abalone. Oh,
wow.
nice.
Yo!
That actually looks so good.
Nice too.
Damn. Whoa.
Alright.
I want to try the abalone.
That's so good.
Let's try some abalone. It's good. Whoa, that's good.
Whoa!
That's so good.
Yo!
How good's that, Chook? Have you tried it yet?
No, not yet.
Wow, that's so good. It's so sweet.
It's not even that chewy.
It's not that chewy. It's really good. Time to try some fish. It's not bad. Not bad at all. The meat, like the texture is terrible because it's like, it breaks apart when you eat it. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. We're going to call that an episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe. And we're just going to continue eating.
Baby, I'm just too weak